Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix your Netflix account is on hold. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. First of all, open your Netflix. Sometimes it simply says that your account is on hold. The reason it says your account is not hold and is not being able to watch Netflix is because Netflix is not being able to issue balance from your payment method which you have added. It could be that you have run out of balance on a credit or debit card account, or maybe because Netflix is not being issued due to some kind of reason. So in most cases you can just go to ahead and update your payment method by tapping on the particular error. If you don't find it, then after you launch a Netflix tab on the profile icon on the top right, and then go to the settings called account. Once you go to account settings over here, you will see all this type of various options. Now what we will do is, you can see that our next billing data is 24th of November. So you can go to the billing details and you just want to update your payment method. So in most cases what you can do is, you can just cancel a membership first. Once you cancel a membership, just go in and resume the membership. Remember that this happens because Netflix is not being able to issue balance or issue the payment, and it does not mean to auto renew the payment itself, and that is the reason why your account is on hold. So the issue is most likely with the payment method. So you just need to update a payment method, add other ones. I will just cancel the membership and try to resume it, and most likely that will fix the issue. Hopefully this video will help you out. Thanks for watching this video.